What's going on, guys? So today's segment is how to use a torque wrench. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it correctly. All right, so this 2024 Toyota Corolla, the lug nuts, it's calling for 76 foot-pounds. And this is my torque wrench. It's not one of those expensive ones, but it does its job. I believe I got it from Amazon. So if it is from Amazon, then just look this up. Then you can get exactly the same one. Let's open this up. What the heck? It's still new. Brand new. All right. So this is the lock nut. So right now it's loose. See, it's all the way to the left, and then all the way to the right. It locks up this adjustment. It locks up this adjustment here. So the way it works is, so I loosen it up first. I look at this and I find wherever the zero hits and whatever the number here is, that's the torque setting. So for 10 foot-pounds, I go, actually that's a 20. So 10 would be right here. Is set it up for 20. Then after I set it for 20, I'm gonna lock it up. But first, let me prepare the tires. Okay, so right now it's already set for 20 pounds. And I'm using a 22 millimeter for the Corolla. I try not to use the extension because it kind of changes the torque settings. The longer it is, the more is away from the torque setting. But the reason why I'm using this is because I'm hitting my car as I'm torquing the lug nuts down. So I need this so I don't scratch up my car. All right, so make sure we're going righty-tighty. Okay, righty-tighty. In this configuration, you want to go here, 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 and here, and then go all the way around. So this is 20 pounds. Notice it clicks right away because this thing is rated for 76. Okay, so now the next step is bringing it up to, okay, I gotta loosen it up first, and then I'm gonna adjust it to 50 pounds. Lock it up. And then now this is 60 pounds. Okay, now I'm gonna go 76. Okay, my setting now is at 76. All right. So So now we are at 76 pounds, foot-pounds. So now when I do the rest of the tires, I'm not gonna adjust it anymore. I'm just gonna leave my torque wrench set at 76 and I'm gonna pursue doing the 76. So I'm not gonna adjust it. The reason why I started off with 25, then 50, then 76 is that I'm warming this up. I don't want to mess up the torque settings. Now, I learned this from way back when I was in high school, learning automotives from my old teacher in high school. So I'm still applying the same principle, the same practice. Maybe the torque tools now are different, but this is the way I do it, and that's how the old timers do it. If it's wrong because of the new tools now, it's not gonna hurt it, but it's a good practice doing this just to be able to keep this tool lasting long. Okay. All right. So now I'm gonna do another torquing, not twerking, torquing, just to show you. So, because I may not be able to explain it correctly. So this is the rear tire. That's the front tire that I did already. Now I'm gonna do the rear tire, and right here it's already warmed up and set up for 76 foot-pounds. So that's it. So just to give you guys context, I rotated the tires 100 miles ago. So I rotated the front to the back, back to the front, and I torqued it down. And then now that I have ran it for 100 miles or so, now I'm gonna check my torque again. So this is my second time torquing it down. On the beginning part of the video here, you'll notice that on the front left tire, I was able to move it just a little bit, maybe 1/8 of a turn. And then the rear tire, rear left, the one I just did right now, that one didn't move at all. So the front one did kind of move. So it's good to retorque it after you torque it down, especially in wheels. Once you torque it down, let it run for a day or two, get at least like 50 to 100 miles, and then retorque it. So that's it, guys. So I'm gonna do the other two. I'm not gonna video it because it's just redundant. It's like rinse and repeat, something like that. All right, so guys, that's how you use a torque wrench. And then one other thing that I've learned in high school as an auto mechanic student is once you're done with your torque wrench, you release this, take out the, you take it off, right, lefty loosey, and then you turn down the settings to 0. So all the way down to 0 and then lock it up. Other torque wrenches, they have like a small hole where you could put oil. This one in particular does not have it, but the other ones that I had, I don't know where it's at, because I moved a lot. I lost some of my tools. But anyways, those I have to like put some periodically apply some oil in there. But this one doesn't have any hole to put oil. Anyway, so after you're done, release it and then put down the torque down to 0, and then lock it up. That's it. So if you want to have if you want to keep your torque wrench lasting forever, you got to do it as that. All right, guys. I hope this is helpful, guys. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching the video. And if you have enjoyed it, please give me a like, thumbs up, comments, and share it with people that may need